The Public Accounts Committee is a National Assembly committee made up of AMs from all political parties in Wales, and our job is to look into how public funding is spent while making sure the people of Wales are getting value for money. In our latest inquiry, we want to hear from tenants and service users of housing associations because we believe that they should be at the heart of this inquiry. This has been the approach we have taken from the start, and the response we have had to that from a number of organisations has been very supportive. Housing associations are non-profit organisations that rent houses and flats to people on low incomes or with particular needs. They also provide a range of other services including affordable homes to buy, housing-related support, care homes and student accommodation. They also manage blocks of leasehold flats and play a significant role in community regeneration. We're looking at the rules and regulations around housing associations in Wales, whether they do enough to protect tenants and service users, how well they govern themselves, and other issues including the salaries of senior staff. We've already taken some evidence concerning issues such as how tenants are consulted by their landlords, whether information about a housing association's performance is available and accessible, whether housing association boards are effective. To help inform our findings, we would like people to fill in an online survey to tell us about their experiences. So if you or perhaps a relative of yours is a tenant or service user of a housing association, please go to the web address below and take part. We'll produce a report which will contain our conclusions and what we think should happen next on this subject, and that will be sent to the Welsh Government, which must respond to the points we have raised.